Battery's almost dead. It's raining. Sucks. Didn't even check the weather. I don't know why. That got a little rained on. I just got my stuff under the tarp right now. I sold a few comics, sold almost $40 worth of old comics. Sold a few things to a couple other people that always come. As long as I don't break down on the way home, at least I made a little money for my troubles. Not very much. The deal is, last time I didn't stay set up, there was all them cars out in the parking lot. This time, I don't think there is. So, and it's not slowing down, so I don't know how much longer anybody's going to be here. A lot of people are keeping their tarps up, but there's nobody walking around. I mean, a couple people, but... So, I don't know. Well, that was fun. Still raining. Nobody's coming back. I'm the only one in the last row, so I'm not getting anybody. I guess I should have stopped at the beginning of the row. At least maybe somebody would come to my thing. Hopefully they'll come around. There is a few more people showing up, but whether that's going to be a thing that's going to keep happening, I doubt it. I didn't even bring my umbrella today. My dollar stuff. I left everything else in the van. Heck with it. Luckily that guy bought some comics, that helped out. Well, see, one big problem I'm having today is being at this end of the flea market. A lot of people are coming around, and when they get to this end, if they come around the one way, they're going all the way down to that end, and when they get there, there's nothing in this road but me way at this end, so I'm losing a lot of people. Yeah. Oh well. Maybe I don't like them anyway. Well, I hung it out, and that one record guy showed up. I sold him $50 in records, so that wasn't too bad. I almost sold him my Alice Cooper. I put 50 on it, but I don't know. I may list it. It's worth more. Oh, I forgot he wanted this. Steve Vaughn, but he didn't know. Guardians of the Galaxy. Tim Buckley. Him and his son both committed suicide, right? Little rough, but worth $20. On the little and Paul's face. Bobby Gentry. I beat up Ziggy Stardust. Oh, that's supposed to be my $5 box. Wish somebody was listening to me talking to myself. The Talk Tribes. Stillwater. Occasional. Yeah, had that for a long time. Angel. That probably could go in a $5 box. Always reminds me of the Ramones, you know? Alive. Eyes at Beacon Street Union. Only $10. That's a good album. Mr. Spock. Beat up, scratched up creatures. Awkward. Who made who? Right, so I bought these from a buddy, and he didn't buy them. I guess I could give them to him for his birthday, but I don't know. Maybe. Last way. Sinatra trilogy. Hobbit is on that comp. B-52s. No, we're gonna get B-52s for $10. Come on. $10 raised on radio. 20 just to get a reissue. I have 60 on this Zion Folk. Wonder why I don't list that. I think I will take that out. So, how's this for flea market filler? $10. Come to the Waterford Flea Market. Get deals on records. Flock of Seagulls. Not the one with the I ran so far. $10. HP. $20. Witch Doctor David Zabel, you know, Alvin and the Chipmunks, $50. Probably should just put it online too. 8 for a picture disc. Ice House. Rage promo. Triumph. This should become $5 records next week maybe. Low Brandy, what is that? Oh, it's signed, that's why. If you're ever looking for a Mo Brandy autograph, there's your chance. Hey, cool. $10. $15. Got some damage up here. Eldorado. Light of Day. Everybody's gonna buy that up here. Cool. Dennis Hopper, Crazy Man. Okay, we had enough of this yet. $40. That's a good price though, but I probably won't sell it. Can't believe nobody's bought this Grand Funk for $10. It's in excellent shape. Round cover. There's another good album. $8. Herbie Man. Does this guy ever wear a shirt? Let's find out. Here we go. Oh, he's got a shirt on. I do have one where he isn't wearing a shirt. I think he's like that on a lot of albums. Lucifer's Friend, that's a cool album. Yellow Pages. Strickland, I don't know what that is. $20, must be good. Had one Cactus left. Dexy's Midnight Runners. Leon Live. That should be probably in my $5 box too, I guess. Oh well, we'll go through some more stuff this week. Alright, thought this was kind of neat. This is that Paul McCartney Give My Regards to Broad Street DVD. I just sold it. going somewhere, going to California, and then I sold the 2 Beatles magazines where John Lennon talks about Jesus and the Beatles. Anyway, it's funny because it's going to Broad Street. So that's kind of neat. I thought it was neat. What's the odds of that?